What's up, guys? I just got a quick afternoon scalp here on natural gas. Just want to run through this quick. Basically, we see a lot of sell volume down here and a stop. So it just came to a halt. So maybe that tells me there's a minor shift in momentum and sellers have exhausted a little bit. So I've got a support here, and I noticed that, and this is a daily time frame chart. I noticed that it went below and started to recover, and then I moved this up here, and I noticed that it was just starting to break above daily open as well. So then I went down to lower time frames, checked the 1 hour chart. Okay, see very low sell volume here. Price going sideways pretty much all day. So I was kind of just looking for an opportunity for a quick long, and I keep going down to low time frames, and I found a 15-minute setup here. So all I did was take my trend line here, drew a horizontal trend line, and you see a nice little higher low here. Price going sideways, like I said, most of the day. And what also I notice here is some nice volume coming in. Okay, so I started to see volume come in really down here at the lows, which is a great sign. And then some nice follow through. And actually, I was watching this at about 8:23, and it just started to keep pressing and pressing. And by the time I could get an order set, I got in at about 8:29. So just before breakout, I did, like I said, notice some low time frame volume coming in. If you go to the 5-minute, you'll also notice that there's just nice volume coming in. So we get our 5-minute close above. Okay, so that was confirmation for me to hold. Basically, if this would have just rejected harsh, I could have just gotten out at a very small loss. But instead, that momentum I was sensing on the low time frames came in. I kind of rode the wave with buyers, and I got stopped out on a trailing stop here, and I'll show you. So technically, and this could potentially break a little bit higher, okay? Because my technical target would be from top to bottom, or bottom to top, however you want to say it. So about 860 was my actual target. But since this was a momentum play, I went ahead and I rode the momentum. You can see here we have high volume buyers up at the top here, and it rejected. So maybe a little choppiness here. So basically, I got stopped out. I went down to the 1-minute time frame. Okay, and I put my stop loss. This is potentially a double top here. Okay, on the 1-minute. So I put my stop loss just below. Got stopped out, and overall made about a 1.5% profit on a scalp in 10 to 15, maybe 15 minutes or so. So overall, a solid trade. I stuck with my risk management procedures. I tried to let it ride to target a little bit more, but still wanted to lock in profit. So rather than, I could have taken partial profit here or just closed it all. Sometimes these do run to the target, and it still could. But again, I'm just making sure that I'm locking in my profits, especially in the afternoon, because afternoon tends to be even more choppy than the mornings, and there's less volume. So overall, successful trade to end the day. And I hope you guys found that useful. And make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.